I just realized what's wrong in the e-commerce and the retail game, and it has to do with this. Let's presume this shoe is your company. Companies focus on what they get from their customers, yeah? When you start by making money, so you're focused on what you get, not what you give. Then at some point you realize, you know what? We have some customers. We have to be customer-centric. The issue is that it's almost impossible. Look at that. This is wrong. If you want to grow a company and be profitable, you have to care about your customers and to measure what matters, which is the customer lifetime value. In the last 17 years, I've learned the hard way on my own skin what's wrong in the retail and the e-commerce arena. After helping hundreds of retailers and e-commerce companies make it happen properly, I've decided to write a book about it. And I made it! Get your first chapter for free and get notified when it's launched. You'll get free access to the 9 accompanying tools for you to use in your new growth chapter.